Oops. Let's get this one going too. There we go. Let's turn this on. Turn this on. Oh, a whole lot of stuff to turn on. Sorry, you guys are looking at my toes. It's crazy how much stuff there is to do here. We're on fast, DBA rating, min max. Okay, what do we got? Test. All right, let's see if we get that. Get that going. Okay, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Okay, so I think this is ready to go. I'm guessing. All right, let's get this going, dumbass. Ooh, it's hot out here. Okay then. Can't see anything. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. All right, happy afternoon to you all. Today is the day that the hunter gets a bee. Try that again. All right, happy afternoon to you all. Today is the day that the hunter gets a new exhaust. I worked with Coffman's exhaust out in California, and they sent me a prototype. I sent them a bunch of measurements, of the exhaust pipe diameter and spacing and, orientation and all that. And they sent me this. Coffman's exhaust, Hunter, Special Order Universal. So we're hoping that this has the correct neck or inlet size to mate up to the pipe on the Hunter. And I'm going to take some measurements for weight. Haven't organized all my stuff here. We're going to weigh the factory exhaust and its assorted pieces, and then weigh the Coffman's and have some numbers and figures to work off of. So without further ado, I'm going to get this thing started, get it warmed up to operating temperature, and then I'm going to take some dB readings with my Reed R8060 dB meter. And pardon all the background noise, this is a busy street. And I'll be recording all the action with my Zoom H5, just like I did for the Rebel 1100 exhaust tests that I did. And I'm using the official test procedure of having the recording apparatus 50 centimeters back, which is roughly 20 inches, 19.68 inches back. I'm exactly 19.68 inches from the ground on my measuring devices here, middle of the microphones, 19.68, 19.75 roughly, and the distance is right there, right at 20 inches, just over. So the measurement procedure says that it needs to be at an oblique angle, about 45 degrees offset, so you're not directly on the puffs of the exhaust, so you get a reasonable representation of the real sound level. So that's what we're going to do, same as I did last time, but now it's on the Hunter. Goody goody.